Okay, so let's see if we want to change this to... Wait, don't I already have this? Oh yeah, I do. I forgot about this one. Excuse me. Set vector 2. Oh. And it's only 1 point. That's not the point. Platform, cube color, type 2, cube grid. Oh, I see. Okay. So 2 is the circle. see. So that gives you one for each one. That's kind of cool. Why don't we just make our stars that? Why don't we just make this our stars? It uses one color. It has a center that's, you know. That's a cool star. Okay. We're going to use this. Why would we not use that? Well. Center and size uniforms. Okay, yeah, see? So we just need center, size, and grid, and then mouse is used for. Cool. Okay, that's cool. That's not bad. That's not bad. Do you want to do another one of those guys? We could do another one of those guys. So he's over there. Let's go over here, I guess. I like how he's looking at it the whole time. So funny. Cool. Okay, so do we want the iron sword first, or do we want to wait? Because we're going to get some... Shoot, we're going to get some emeralds from the farmer here pretty soon. And by soon, I mean right now. I think we can get... Oh, 6? Okay. And the wheat. Okay. So now we have 16. How much was this again? Oh, sharpened, that's not the one. How much was this one? 13. So that'll leave me with 3, which is enough. So we will upgrade to an iron sword. And then we will upgrade to an iron axe. Cool. That bamboo grows so quick. Oh, Hope I didn't hit the villager. That would not be good. Okay, so can I make leather boots for the snow? Okay. So does he raise his prices? Did you raise your prices? He did not. Okay. Are you guys stuck? Were you guys stuck? I like this better because it's literally 1 point. It's way better. And I did this a long time ago. About a year ago, I guess. Okay, wow. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. So what's the M position? Oh, it uses mouse position. Oh, so that's even easier. We don't have to convert the mouse. This is so much easier. It's just... Okay. What was I doing before? Actually, this is literally drawing 1 point. And the only thing that we're doing is... everything's happening in the shader. So... that's cool. Center, okay, so the location, that's easy now. Size and grid. Mouse is used for the center currently. What just happened? Ah, hey. Oh, hey, Fifth, what's up? What's happening, Fifth? So I'm restarting, kind of starting over on my space trader, but I was to that point anyways. And I think I'm going to use this for the center star of the solar system. It's only 1 point, and then everything else happens in the shader. And I don't know if you saw my stream earlier, it was like 3 hours of trying to figure out something else and it didn't work. Just got back from my walk. Oh, I'm afraid to go outside. It's 4th of July over here. 4th of July, so I am inside for the night. Oh yes. And I work tomorrow, so I'm just chilling out. 5th here. So yeah, I'm super excited now. I just found this. I was just gonna stream and do some Minecraft. And then I thought about that previous project that I did. I guess I did it about a year ago. I was still working at the in IT, I remember. And it's so much easier to use this. This is so great. Where did it go? Right here. So this is just 1 point. Oh, OpenGL sys.h. Okay, I used a different thing there. Yeah. Messed with redstone much? I think... I mean, no. The only time I had redstone once was when I dug straight down. And I found a whole bunch of ores. And I was like, right on. I did try some stuff once in creative. But... yeah, I should, huh? Redstone's kind of cool. Excuse me, I can make some automated defenses for my village. Automated defenses. Redstone is how I learned to code. Oh, nice. Yeah, Minecraft is exactly an education for coding. Not even kidding. So the only thing is the point size is set here, which I don't like that, but... so we can just send in the data, but let's do 64. That would be a super small. That's cool. Okay. Got a call. Lurk. Oh, okay. Cool, dude. So let's get this done with solar system here. Let's do a solar system. Oh, I'm literally sitting in front of a fan. It's not that hot really. I'm just getting situated here with my blanket and stuff. Oh, here's a pillow. There was a spider in my house earlier, in my condo earlier. I did not kill him. But I have since napped, so it may be around here somewhere. It may have done the smart thing and left. Because if I see it, it looked like a small female recluse. Yes. Not good. Not good. Okay, so we're going to use this OpenGL sys.h, which is probably cool. And okay, this one's 4.3. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Oh, here's the cumulative scroll. Oh, so it goes up to 64 and then it recycles. Okay, that's what I was seeing. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So the point, and that's program initialization, so that's the name of the thing. Okay. Alright, so let's do what we did here all over again. Actually, we can just replace all this stuff. Let's go like this. 2. We're just going to use this one. Number of points, 1. We don't need that. Very nice. Okay, so how does this one work? Oh, it just uses a uniform for the position and then a uniform for the grid, a uniform for the color. You know, that kind of makes sense because it's really only 1 point, so why not just... Okay. In fact, if this is only 1 point, and then the solar system, the rest of it's going to be the planets and the moons, right? We can put this in, we can just take this code I don't think we use rotation 3. No, it doesn't use rotation 3. And we don't use the square one. So we can take that out. And we can just copy this to the... Okay, so then we're going to do... Okay, well that's even easier. Okay, that's... So then I don't need any of this code. I just need that shader. Nice. We better keep this one. This is just the position. Okay, so this is it. That's it. Just so I know what's going on, we'll keep that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that anymore. Save it. That's fine. Space gems. Okay. Okay, so with this one, I think, okay, we're actually ready to move on to the next version of this. Are we going to go 228? Yeah, we're going 228 because we're still on the same. Okay. So what I used to do before I got sick, June 11th, okay. Alright. Alright, let's just go here, July 4th, 2023. Okay. Okay, this is going to be the start over. Okay, that'll be enough. Don't I have to put this so I'll know where the day begins and ends, I guess? Excuse me. Okay, so that's going to be really cool. That's the star. That just makes it so much better. I can't believe I didn't think of that earlier, but I wanted to go fancier. And that looks a lot more like a star. It really does. So now we have the big project here. See, we're not ready for this yet either. Actually, we are. I'm just thinking when you start the game, we will be using some IM GUI. We will. We will. Yes. Okay, I don't know that we're going to use all of this stuff, but we'll keep it in because I think it's necessary for the inventory. Glad you left WGLM. STB, that's for the planets. Nano VG. I think we're going to go without Nano VG now because we like IM GUI. If we need Nano VG, we can come back and get it. Okay, still going to try that for audio. Collision callback, we don't need that just yet. Okay, I don't think we need anything else yet. Okay. Okay, so what we want to do, space, points, flowers and crystals, lines and super shapes. Aha. Oh yes, and we'll have background stars. Okay. You know, maybe we can draw the super shapes with a really dim color and add those to the background. Because I forgot about the background. Okay, but all this stuff we're going to take out. Okay, so we're going to have the basic system. We're going to have the background stars. We could have this ship. That's perfect. Then we'll have this, the planets, and then we're going to do flowers and crystals, lines and super shapes. Okay, so this is going to change. Because we're not going to have flowers and crystals. For the space. So what we're going to do is in space we're going to have solar system. So we're going to have one point as the star. We're going to have eventually we're going to have space stations, but not just yet. Okay, planets and moons. For the crystals, okay, yeah. So points, crystals. Actually, the asteroid fields will be the crystals. Okay. And then, so the star, the planets and moons, the asteroid fields. And then we're going to use points again for the warp zones, warp spots. Those will be the flowers. Or the spiral thingies, whatever. Oh, excuse me. Whew. So let's make that kind of separate like that there. Okay, in the blocks. 3D voxel terrain. Okay, we're going to update that. Okay, so the background stars we don't need to change. The ship we don't need to change. Okay, this we need to change. So class planets 139. Let's save that. Is a new version. 140. Is that good? Okay, good. Okay, so we're going to go with 140 there. Whoa, alright, I can't type. Hit the wrong key, end up way over there. Alright. So let's go like that. Into the game dev. Make sure I remember that. We're gonna basically excuse me, we're gonna basically redo that, aren't we? Because the planets I think already have, I'm already using, I don't know, I don't think I have to redo too much. I think the main thing we have to redo is what was there before with all the other stuff. Okay. And then this is going to be new too. So the class 3D blocks, we're going to change that. So we're going to file save as. 131. Okay, good. Good. Okay, so then we're going to go with half blocks. We're going to go with large flat spaces being scaled cube. Okay, the planets, that's going to be the planet graphics and the star shader. I guess that explains it, kind of. Okay. Okay, so 140 and 131, that's good. We're in 228. Okay, item class, inventory class, For now, I don't think we're going to use those just yet. But we probably will. Probably will. Okay, so let's take that out for now. Because the main thing we're focusing on right now is getting everything back to, well, we're just advancing everything to the next level. The next level is, I think before what I was doing was trying to put it all together and then, yeah. I don't know. We're going to do it right now. So the main goal right now is to get the solar system going, to have the player navigate around a solar system, travel to other solar systems, and as the player travels, each solar system that is generated is saved. So, and that's cool. Maybe when I load up, maybe when I run the game, As long as I don't change the format of the saving of the solar systems and stuff. Or I could even have, I should have, okay, yeah. Let's write that down. We should have options for solar system, save it, yeah, repeat, generate, save. Okay, have an option. So this is all one idea right here. And then this is another one. Cool. Yeah. Oh, shoot. I may have to take a nap or something. I don't know. Let's stay awake here. I got to stay awake. Let's see. Wait, 6 viewers? What? Oh, well, hey everybody. Feel free to say hi, because if you type anything, I get a little click or a little diddle-diddle. So then, so what do I want to do right now as I go through this huge, this is insane. The majority of this though being the IMGUI stuff that I put in previously for the block worlds. Okay, so I don't need all that. I can delete it and start over. However, what do we need to keep? What do we need to keep? Well, the only thing that would work right now, we could keep the background stars and the ship. And then the planets and the terrain, the 3D terrain and stuff. Yeah, because this stuff won't work, but this stuff will. This is still fine. Okay, so okay, remember that you have all this, you just copied it, you have a copy of this, everything's fine. Breathe in, breathe out. Alright, so we're good to delete everything. Last X, last Y, field of view, yaw, pitch, LX2, LY2. See, this is where commenting comes in. Like, what does that do? What do these do? Error type? What does LX2 do? Nothing? They do nothing. Oh, Jeff, why? Why, Jeff, why? Okay, let's put this in the main project. Because maybe that's why it's not finding it or something. So is this, let's go back here. No, there's still nothing. LX2, LY2, and it's their global variables. Huh. Apparently we don't use them, so they're gone. Core X, core Y, what do those do? Nothing. Nothing. Once upon a time, they might have done something. Okay, mouse scroll. I don't... Mouse scroll plus equals Y offset. Oh. Line 393. Mouse scroll. That's the only time it's used. So we keep track of the mouse scroll, but we never use it. Okay. We can get rid of that. Getting rid of that. Any key pressed. Flag to indicate if any key is being pressed. Oh. Do we use that? We do. A couple places. Are those the only places? If any key pressed game state equals show space, any key pressed equals true, any key pressed equals false. Oh, I see. We don't need that. We don't need it. Getting rid of it. Okay, camera position, camera front, DX, DY, ship rotation. This stuff we need. Camera. This stuff is for the ship movement here. Excuse me. Okay, DX and DY. Let's look up DX real quick. Yeah, that one's used a lot. That's the ship movement. That's cool. Excuse me. I swear I'm sober. I'm totally not drinking tonight. Ugh. Okay, delta time, last frame, current frame, PSDX, PSDY. Jeff, these variables without comments and stuff. Oi. I recognize them though, so I know we're using them for something. Let's look. PSDX. Space. Limit up. Okay, yeah, so we need those, I guess. Last frame. No. PSDX equals DX times. So it's related to the movement, yeah. Terrain gen. Okay, we're not going to use those at the moment. Game state. This might be handy, but for now I think we're just gonna no. Because we will have the menu, so we could show title and then just go into what we're gonna have the space and the planet, as far as I know. Title, space, planet, D&D font terrain slider. Okay, we're not gonna use all that, but we can use these. So let's just go to there. Game state equals show title. Okay. And then, yeah, we're also going to have the title screen. Okay. Okay, I am GUI variables. Okay, initially we're not going to use a lot of the I am GUI. We're not going to use... Well, I guess we are going to use a little bit. You know, that's another thing. We should give the solar systems each a name or something. But anyways, so I am GUI variables, new comment, I don't think we need any of this. Save variables, we haven't saved anything yet. So we're deleting a lot of stuff. Save variables, save stuff. Oh yeah, it's from the saving, okay. We don't need that. Show GUI, show debug, blend, drawing, transforms, project, star view, we don't need that. Projection view model, yeah. Let's delete all that stuff though. Minimap, secret globals, GUI slider. Okay, we don't need that at the moment. So we want the background stars and we want the ship. We're just gonna, and then this stuff we're not gonna use. I am font. We'll do that later. Okay. Okay. Here's the thing. Mode to string. Some of this stuff I made with ChatGPT. So, yeah. Mode to string. Oh, cool. Huh. Okay, do item GUI stuff, do show space, do inventory, clean up. Okay. I don't know what of this stuff we're going to use. Not just by the titles, like. Okay, so system initials, do class inits. This is cool, but deleting a lot of stuff. Okay. Find, show planet, do transforms, render title screen, load title texture, render minimap sliders. Render minimap. Oh, you have the minimap and the sliders and stuff. Oh, yeah. That was kind of cool. Okay, but we don't need it. So I do like the title stuff. Transforms, find, show planet, class inits, show inventory. We're not going to use just yet. We will need something like that, but to start out here, do IAM GUI stuff. We're going to delete show space. Let's see. I don't think we need this either. I don't remember what that was for. Okay, so down here, do class inits. I think we're going to keep that, but severely reduce it. Delta frame, last frame, process input, do transforms. Have to look at that. Beginning of the game. Okay. We don't need that. Oh wait, render. Wait, let's keep that. Render title screen. If any key pressed, game state equals show space. Oh. Maybe we should keep that any key pressed. What do you think? Wasn't it just a boolean though? Where was it at? It's right here. Bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, 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 bum. Okay, where are we at? Oh yeah. So that's fine. Any key pressed and then all this stuff, show space. Okay, so let's just, yeah, show space, show planet, show inventory, show terrain slider. We're just going to take all that out. So that's our main loop right there. We don't need all this stuff, see? Mode to string. Process input. Okay, there's a lot to this. So a lot of the stuff we don't need. Okay. Come back to that. Mouse callback. Come back to that. Scroll callback. This one we don't need. Space blocks, temp distance in front, we don't need that. This we don't need. Field of view, state, okay, we don't need that. So we don't do anything in the scroll callback just yet. Key callback, that's fine. Mouse button callback. Mouse button, what are we doing? We're not going to be firing on anything. So remove block, add block, get block attributes, copy to cursor, okay. So we don't need any of this. Game state, yeah. Okay, that's cool, but yeah, we don't need that. Button left and the 6, so that's the fire. Oh yeah, we don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, do IAM GUI stuff. Okay, this is huge right here. We're literally getting rid of this whole thing. And it's huge. It's huge. Whoa. Do show space. Okay, so space. Draw the planets. Okay, all that fun stuff. Let me think. What are we doing? Background stars and ship. Yeah, that's all we want. So let's take out the planet part right here. Space plane, get minimap status, render minimap sliders, mouse uniform, we don't need that. Update player ship velocity under the X. Player ship velocity. Player ship dx dy. That's what it is. Okay, cool. Move planet swirls and supershift minimap. Okay, so let's go here. Let's get these out. And collect state equals State of game resource collection. Okay, and so we got background stars and ship. Okay, I like this. I like where this is going. We're doing good deleting stuff. Show inventory. Okay, disable blending. Oh, that was IamGUI. Okay. Do cleanup. IamGUI shutdown. Space blocks. Planet. Okay. There. Clean nano. Okay. So IamGUI. Am I keeping this? What are we doing? Oh, we're not caring just yet. We don't care just yet. Okay, do class init. Set up dear IamGUI context. So are we keeping this? Yes. Version 4.3.0. Okay. So background stars, 2D points and lines, planets and moons. We're not there yet. Not there yet. Not there yet. 3D block planets, not there. Spaceship, there we go. Spaceship. Inventory, no. Font, size increase, no. Okay, find show planet. What was this one? Ah, this is the terrain gen. Okay, we're not ready for that yet. Do transforms. That looks useful. We're keeping that. But we don't need that until we land on the planets, right? Okay, render minimap sliders. We don't need that. Don't need that. Oh, this one's pretty big. Boy, IamGUI just gets quite large. Okay, render title screen, push font, p font. Oh, did I get rid of the font? Do we use the font on the title screen? Hold on. Let's just go up here. Here. It wasn't too. It was just right here. So after the objects in the game, class objects. Okay, hold on. Oops. After these guys, right there. Now what's this? Oh, I'm skipping that for later. What's all this? What's all that? Oh, render title screen. Okay, I was like, that's, okay. Huge, too. That's cool. Okay, a lot of that stuff we can take out, though. Actually, hold up. I wish my scroll worked. My scroll button is broken on my mouse. Should just fix it. Okay. Title screen size, title screen, hidden key to play, how to play instructions, IamGUI demo, game interface, player stats and inventory, ship stats, tech display, system menu notification. A lot of this stuff doesn't apply. A lot of this stuff doesn't apply. Because we're taking it out, but let's just leave it in for now. We can just edit that later. Load title texture. Okay, so I think we're good except for process input. So the only thing we need to process, if not, is saving. Okay, player move equals false. Save Y position so that after transforms applied can stay on the same Y level. If chosen, if choose to, yeah. If is saving. Oh, did I delete that? I think that's a Boolean also. Let's just go in here. Boolean is savings right here. Save variables. But we're not going to be saving. If not is saving. Oh. So we just don't want to check for that, so we don't even care. So just go like that. And wherever it ends down here, yeah, right there. then all this right here. Okay, so right shift, left shift. Oh, that's just like an acceleration. WS player move equals true. Okay. Calculate acceleration based on angle. If W add acceleration, velocity greater than, just does a little thing. Okay, that's fine. A and D, player move equals true. Temp F equals normalized camera front speed. That looks fine. X and Z, okay, whatever. Space, true. Space just stops. Okay, you just stop. After WASD movement, this player keeps player camera on the same. Okay, tab. I hit the tab key. Okay, so one. I don't think we need that. Do we? We're not going to be going back and forth. S6. Inventory we're not going to do yet. Hide the inventory. Full screen mode. Okay, I like full screen. And windowed mode here. That's good. Control. Space blocks. Toggle cursor showing. We're not there yet. Re-shows the cursor. Hide minimap. We're not there yet. Player move. Okay. If player move, camera position Y space looks fine. Player. We don't need that yet. What's this? Oh, the mouse callback here. Okay, so this is the other thing we have to fix real quick. If game state is not show terrain slider. Oh, I remember this. This is just, we can just go like this. And everything in there just needs to be indented. That's it. This is very painful, by the way. Very painful. Okay. First of all, does it compile? One failed. This members, oh, we don't need a collision callback just yet. We can get it later when we need it. What else? Set collision callback. And where is this? Oh, class planets. Okay, so let's delete that. Shoot. What's this one? Game Quest P update data? Hold on, I don't know. Set collision callback. Game Quest again, okay. Collect crystals, collision callback. Oh, this is in the planets. We're not redoing the planets yet. So for now, let's just go. Okay, let's try it again. Pretty sure there's going to be a bunch of errors. Wait, what? It might actually work. So yeah, the rest of the stuff needs to be done in there, and that's and class planets 140. It's going to be major. One succeeded. Oh, so what does it do? Does it do anything? Oh. Oh, look at the font. That's more readable, but it's different. Okay. And then we get nothing, but we still have full screen and V. Okay. So I don't see the ship, I don't see the stars, but we're fine. No errors, that's good. Okay, so background stars. So do show space. Oh. Where are we at? Do transforms. Oh, that's why. Because if we get out of show title, it doesn't do anything. So let's put some stuff in here. And let's just show, where's background stars, and let's just grab it from here. Where was it? Do show space? Oh, do I have that function? Do I still have that function? Pretty sure I do. Do show space. Background star, there, that'll do it. So let's just call that function. In here. Do show space. There we go. Now let's see what we get. Beep up boop. Nice. Background stars and the ship. Yay. I love it. Look at those bamboo. Was this from... No, this wasn't from me. I wouldn't have crossed water to get... Let's light it up. Cool. Okay. It sounds considerably quieter outside. They don't allow fireworks after midnight. Oh, I stand corrected. It's the last 5 minutes. I like that font better. I don't even think I set a font. That's like a default font or something. Settings. Oh, is the Dear I'm GUI demo. Uh-oh. Can we just exit? There we go. Escape to exit. And the key to play. Oh. I've already got this stuff up here for the stats and stuff. Cool. I forgot about that. You know, it'd be really cool. Excuse me. Oh, I see. And then the mouse moves like this. Is if I program a demo mode as I add features and stuff. Okay, that's cool. Now I can totally chill. This is crazy. Excuse me, don't mind me, I'm just getting comfortable. Oh, Nook is on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone, everybody. Nook is on. Pause. New update. Okay, I'm gonna end stream. I'm gonna go watch Nook. Is there anybody in my stream? Okay. Later. Later. Where are we going? Stop stream.